Well, so here we are yet again, fellows, which is a continuation of my previous video here. And this one now involves GSM modem, as you can see here. This one is a GSM modem, and here is the towards the back side. If you see here, so having the SIM slot here, which I have in which I have inserted a Airtel SIM. So basically, this GSM modem can send and receive SMS messages. That's what I'm using it here for. So this is the door break alarm system that I'm going to install in the door, and this signal is the alarm signal that is going from here, which I'm using it as an interrupt to this P3.2 pin, as you can see here. But before feeding it, I have to make sure that that the microcontroller responds to the falling edge, and for that I am using this RTL inverter logic that is here. Basically, it is having this BC547 transistor, and so the input is getting inverted here using this BC547 logic. This is the inverter logic that we have, RTL inverter logic that we have, and that falling edge is used as the interrupt here to this external interrupt pin. And on receiving interrupt, we are sending an SMS inside that interrupt subroutine to the number that has been stored in the microcontroller program. So to begin with, let's switch on the entire system here. So now I have switched on the entire system here. This is the GSM modem, as you can see here. This signal, this light glowing here represents that it is receiving the signal here. So first, before sending out the SMS here, I must ensure that the AT commands are working fine. Basically the SMS or the call are being done by using AT commands here. So the AT commands for making SMS here, I'm feeding it as a form of string using this crossover cable here. As you can see here, this is one end of the crossover cable that is connected to the microcontroller, and this is another end of the crossover cable that is connected here. So basically the RX and TX have been crossed over here, as you can see here, this and this. And similarly here also the RX and TX, this and this have been crossed over. So basically here the blinking LED, as you can see here, it represents that the signal, it is receiving some signal actually. So so basically now to begin the operation with, say suppose the door is being shifted by some distance and the alarm is triggered here. So basically the interrupt subroutine will be executed inside this microcontroller, which will start sending a SMS to the cell phone, to the number that has been stored inside this microcontroller. So just after some time, we need to have reset it once again. Take some time.